It's recording.
It's recording now?
Uh-huh.
Why?
You want me to start it again and delete it? Let's get we should go right in the street.
You're recording this spaghetti. I feel like I'm gonna die. What are you running for?
So I'm getting told for eating it. Open the door, please. Outcome clip where I do is fantastic. Oh God, I can see your butt crack. I like your retard. I had to give myself jelly rolls. Huh?
I'm scared of Satan.
I can do them flat too. Hold it. I have to pull my pants up too.
Are you a pig? What? 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 I hope you fall.
Which way is the front way?
Up your mom.
Do a nollie.
It's up your mom.
Move, let me do a nollie.
No, let me try to even get on the board. Oh, hold the camera. I don't want to bust this apple.
I want some more pizza sauce. I'm going out, chewing on her bubblegum.
I'm scared of my skateboards now, since I busted my butt that one time.
I busted my butt a bunch of times.
I was going down the hill at the church, and it stopped on a pine cone. And I fell, and it really hurt, because I couldn't breathe, and I was scared to death.
Look at all these pretty flowers. That was a little boy.
She thinks she's all hardcore with her skateboard and stuff, man.
I can't do shit on it. I'm gonna pull my foot down.
Here.
Here, this is to my drink. Hold on, wait, do you see it? It's the best kind of Coca-Cola there is. Need a roll?
It's the cheap kind.
That's all we got. I can only drink the small ones. I always drink like half the drinks, you know. I'm going down, chewing on her bubble gum.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think she's like lesbian or something.
For real? Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang. You little fucker.
You see that singing majigger up there hanging? Looks like some kid's shoelaces.
Oh. Maybe some kid got beat up in the
I know you live in the ghetto when there's shoelaces up there.
No, it's in the ghetto when you have shoes hanging over the wire.
That's how it was. I'm almost.
In Clinton County all the time.
Yeah.
Shoes hanging
Oh,
up.
you
Why
won't
would
fuck
they
with me?
do
You
that?
won't fuck with me? I'm gonna take your shoes off and throw
I'm
them
gonna take
over
your
the
shoes and throw them over the pylon, man.
You can't see it because of the light. You see it?
You need like a plug-in.
Plug it in. Oh, you gonna mess with me now? I'm gonna get your plug in.
I'm gonna take your toaster and throw it over the pylon, man. I'm gonna take your toaster.
These kids have this thing over there. And they're like, I haven't seen a squirrel this year, like, at all. We don't have any squirrels.
I'm gonna take your refrigerator.
I would throw it over the pylon, honey. Keep on messing with me. Oh, hold this from back itches.
She's itching her back. Oh, it's upside down. I don't come quick, but when I do, it's fantastic.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I feel like a fatty with my double jiggling.
Mine does too.
No, you don't have any. Okay?
Right here?
Yeah, right there. That's it.
Ow! It was scary. One night that thing was up, and me and Charity were looking down at it. It was scary. Uh-huh.
You You must have to be like Superman to lift it up. Let me see it.
Ew, is that like a squirrel leg? Oh.
Yeah, it's a squirrel leg. I want to see what's down there. Oh, you little whore. You little whore.
It was a dog with like a